how to start trading demo using a Forex Alert in AkashX. Most of us, especially those who are new, if you are yet to learn how to trade the Forex using your own challenge account, you can start by trading a demo account. You can see these are Forex Alerts in our AkashX app. For new members who are yet to know how to trade, you can open a demo account with our broker, one of our brokers, using a MT4 or MT5. This is a demo account because this account has almost $1,000 here. This is a demo account, it's not real money. So you can start apply this Forex Alert. For example, this one say buy gold. Instead of using your trade locker, your main challenge account, to avoid you losing your challenge account, you can use demo. That's demo to start first. So I'm going to show us practically how you can do that in this video. So assuming you have alert now, you have created your demo account using MT4 or MT5. If you want to get the link, meet your upline for the link for demo. But if you are seeing this video directly from my YouTube, you can check for the link for a demo account, for our demo brokers account. So firstly, you need to create your demo account with a broker using MT4, MT5. Then you need to also create an account with AkashX. You are subscribed, then you start receiving Forex Alert. So this is an alert on gold. Remember, when once you come to your AkashX app, just click on this middle one here. This is Forex Alert in the middle here down. Once you tap on it, it will open up like this. You now come and select any of the active alerts. So though this one have been there for more than 7 hours, so most time you should enter a trade that is 5 minutes, 2 minutes. But I'm using this one for the purpose of this video to use the alert to trade demo account. So you come and tap on open alert. This is open alert. Tap on it and you can see the entry price here and the stop loss. So even though this trade have executed, but I'll just use it for practical. You can see how our alert is working. It have hit all the take profit 1 to take profit 5. So I'll copy the stop loss here. Once you come, you copy the stop loss, because that's the first thing you need to know. Then come to your demo account, click on this place here and see the chart. If you want to see the chart, then click on this arrows here to select, it's gold XAU. If this is not added here, you search it for it here. You tap on this plus and search for it, XAU. This one that has XAU USD, you see it here. If you have not added it before, because I've added it, that's why it's showing here automatically. So that is how you add it. So you come and select, tap on it and click on new order. If you want to see the chart, you tap on open chart. I'm coming to that. So you can open the chart and see. Let me see. This is a chart of gold like USD. So but here want to trade. So you come back and tap on it again. Gold XAU USD. You can see we have XAU AUD. This is Australian dollar. Make sure you select XAU USD. Tap on it and click on new order. So once you click on new order, remember the alert is what? Is for us to buy. We are buying gold. So you now click on this buy here. This is buy. Automatically order is open. You are bought gold. So remember, I have a stop loss that I copy. This is a stop loss. So you come here, you come and tap on it. You come and tap and press. You press down at this. You press and hold. Now click on modify. So you see this side. This is how you put the stop loss that I just copy from AkashX app. You delete like this and come and paste here the stop loss. This is the stop loss. Then you come again, minimize account to AkashX app and come and copy take profit 1. This is take profit 1. Take profit 1. Come this side and paste the take profit 1. You paste it like this. And come, okay, make sure it's at the end of that 0. Now you paste. You make sure your cursor is at the end of the 0. So it's like the price here, because I'm buying this. Remember that this one have expired, so the take profit should be higher. So let me copy take profit 4. Like the price I even passed the take profit 4. Let me enter it because 1, 3 have hit. That's why this highlighted button is not showing. So it's a buy. Okay, let me put 90. So I've added a take profit. I remember your loss size. This loss size is high, 0.01. So I have to make this is 0.11, which is very high. So I'm going to reduce the loss size. Already, I've already entered the market. So let me just leave it. Let me just modify it. Let me just modify it. Let me copy the stop loss. I will show you how you can change the loss size when I enter the next market. So you come and put your take profit here. Then click on modify. Can see order is modified. So automatically this trade will close by itself, either at stop loss or at the take profit. So remember, I did not show you how you can reduce the loss size because it's very important. You have to watch your grid. If you don't use small lot size, you may likely blow your account. Grid is number 1 thing. So please use small lot size as a beginner. Small lot size. Use small lot size. So you come here again, tap on this arrow here. This is gold USD. Press, click on new order. Then the lot size, this is it. Select this one, 0.0. I can come and edit it here, 0.01. Look at it. This is the best lot size to select before you click on buy. And come and put, after you buy it now, when the order is open, come and put your stop loss and your take profit, as I showed you before. So I think I've explained everything. Let me just see about the. But okay, assuming you have entered the market, you want to close it, because this one I just entered, I didn't put stop loss. If you want to close the market, maybe it's on profit or it's going negative, that you think it's better you close the market, so you can come here again and press down like this and click on close order. Tap on close order and then close with loss. Say yes. Tap on it. It's better you close and get a smaller loss than to wait and have a bigger loss. So this is how you can trade with the AkashX Forex Alert on a demo account for you to learn very well before you start using your main account to trade. If you have any question, comment in the comment section, and remember to subscribe for more details on how to make money from Forex Trading and Crypto Academy. I'm Mr. Emmanuel Luke from MT4 Academy. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next video. Remember to smash the like button, smash it, please. Catch you in the next video.